Hey guys, I'm in California, and in California there's an abundance of avocados, and I love avocados. So I have a bunch that are about to over ripen, so I want to use them. So I'm going to turn them into a guacamole. But guacamole is really not a great prep ahead recipe, in my opinion. It's really hard to keep it super green. It starts oxidizing really quickly. You have to do tricks like putting the pit in the guacamole after you make it, and you have to add lemon juice to keep it from oxidizing and things like that, and changes the flavor. So guac is not a great prep ahead recipe, but I'm gonna make it anyway. And the thing that I really wanna show you guys is this fun little healthy swap that you could use for any dip. So here's a fun quick video, and yeah, let's do it. By the way, sorry about that crazy rattling sound. My oven is cooling down and that's the sound it makes. So moving on, we're gonna make some guacamole. Here we go. Avocados. So take out the stem because you don't want your knife to bang into that. Okay, great. So you want a nice sharp knife and a nice big spoon. In this place that I'm staying at, they either have teeny tiny spoons or really big spoons. I'm gonna go with the big spoon. So we've done this before. Be careful, everybody. If you want, go like this. And then I use my hands because I've done this many, many times. And then just hold both sides and twist and it opens. Okay, so we're gonna open up all our avocados. Now, if you feel more comfortable, do it on a table like this, straight down, and then gently turn it. I've just done this so many times that I can go like that. Be careful of your fingies. Okay, now what we're gonna do is take out the pits, scoop out the inside, and put it into a bowl. So I like to take one piece of paper towel, and then here's what we're gonna do. Again, if you're not used to doing this, please put it down on a cutting board. Okay, then with the paper towel, grip it and pull it off the knife. Okay, so I hold it, I gently put my knife in it, turn, pop it out. With the paper towel, grip it and pull it off. So this board is gonna be really messy because I don't have my Prepon kitchen prep board with me. I should start packing my products in my suitcase because now the board's going to be all covered with the avocado shells. Next, spoon, finger in the belly, and then we're just going to run it along the avocado skin or shell, whatever you want to call it. Drop it into the bowl. Sorry about that sound. This oven is very loud and you know, filming on the road, so I don't have my usual stuff, but look, we're doing it. Okay, so run the spoon around the inside of the avocado skin shell. Drop it in the bowl. So just continue with all the rest of them. Get a nice firm grip on that spoon, you guys. Put your thumb right in the belly. Nice firm grip. And the whole thing should just scoop right out. And you just kind of turn it and pop it out. Last one. So now I have to stop the video because I have all of these avocado shells and I need to carry this cutting board to the garbage because I don't have my prep board. See, this is why I created my prep board. This is a perfect reason because normally I would just take my board and swipe everything into the bag. Okay. 1 second. So now we have all of our avocados. We're gonna take a fork and just mash it up. So just like we use our thumb in the belly of the spoon, this is like opposite where I just get a good grip and I use my index finger to push the fork down. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you kind of push it down and drag it like that. And it takes a little bit to kind of get it all. But as you can see, you just take the tines here and just like drag it and mash it at the same time. This is why you want to use really ripe avocados because then they mash very easily. You can also totally use a knife you know, and cut them smaller before you mash it. I'm just used to doing it this way, but you got to put a little muscle into it. Mashed. So now what I'm going to add is, this is a little bit of minced tomato, onion, and then we have our lime. So we're just going to add that in. I'm just going to stir it up. So now we're going to add some salt and season it with the lime to taste plus a little bit of hot sauce. So just season it to taste. So I add onion because I want that little bite. I love the tomato for the little pop of color. It also adds really nice flavor as well. Lime juice we're gonna add right now. So what I do when I'm squeezing citrus, I put my finger underneath to grab any seeds that might pop out. I mean, we don't really have to worry about it with the lime, but I do this with lemons or orange. And then the juice drips through your fingers and then you catch any seeds. Okay, great. Salt, a little bit of hot sauce. We're good to go. I don't have pepper at this house or else I'd add pepper, but hey. Okay, so I just put our beautiful guacamole into a different dish so it looks nice and pretty. It's delicious, you guys. So again, season to taste. If you don't like onions, don't add it. If you don't want lime juice, don't do it. But it's delicious. My staple is the onion, the tomato, hot sauce, and lime juice. That's and salt and pepper, of course. So this is my healthy swap I wanted to show you. Most times you would use, you know, tortilla chips, which I love. But here's a really great healthy swap for any dip. These are these little mini peppers that you can buy at the supermarket. Most supermarkets have them. And so here's a little trick. Not hot peppers, you guys. These are not hot peppers. These are organic mini peppers, okay? Not hot. Don't make that mistake because that would not be fun. Okay, so what you want to do is take your thumb, put it in, pop off the top, pull out any little additional seeds, take your thumb, just put it in and slide it down the side, rip it in half. So now it's a beautiful scoop. Look at that. Oh my God. It's beautiful, you guys. It's so good. So just for fun, we're going to do a crunch test. Tortilla chip, mini pepper, tortilla. All right. Good crunch. Pepper. They seem the same to me. And this is our healthy swap. So, yay. I actually prefer the mini pepper, truthfully. You guys, our guac rocks. So here's how you store your guacamole. Again, it's not a great prep ahead, but even if you want to eat it later, put a pit right in the middle, push it down inside. That helps prevent oxidation. The other thing you want to do is put a layer. I know we're all trying to reduce using this plastic wrap. So again, if you have your guacamole, try to eat it. Don't need to use this, but the best way is this trick, unfortunately, with the plastic wrap. So what you want to do is press it all the way down so there's contact over the entire surface. And then later when you eat it, you just peel the whole thing off. And it helps peel off any oxidation that might have started. And then it just stores like this. We love guacamole so much in my family that this won't last very long in the fridge. We'll probably all eat it right away. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one, and I'll see you guys soon.